Having trouble running Internet Explorer on Windows 11? Don't worry, you're not alone. Despite Microsoft's focus on Edge, some sites and apps still need Internet Explorer. In this guide, I'll show you how to run it smoothly on your Windows 11 PC. There is a simple trick that allows you to access Internet Explorer on Windows 11 through the control panel. You don't need to download Internet Explorer. In the search box, type Internet Options and select Open. This will open the Internet Properties window. Go to the Programs tab and click on Manage Add-ons. Next, look for the link that says Learn more about toolbars and extensions in the bottom left corner. Click on that link. As soon as you click, Internet Explorer will launch automatically. You may get an additional prompt asking if you want to make Internet Explorer your default browser. You can choose yes or no depending on your needs. You can also access certain websites using Internet Explorer with the help of Microsoft Edge. To do this, open the website on Edge, then click on the menu button found on the upper right side of the browser. Select Reload in Internet Explorer mode. You will now be able to view the website using Internet Explorer. Take note that this method only works on certain websites. And that's it. You now have access to the full version of Internet Explorer 11 on your Windows 11 PC through the control panel. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful for running Internet Explorer on Windows 11. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching.